Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can amend a document. For that, let's go to the transactions module. Suppose I have to amend this particular purchase order. I'll click on the transaction. The transaction timeline is opened. Before we proceed further, one point to keep in mind here is you can amend the document if and only if you have not created any other document against it. In our example, if you have created any inward or punched any tax invoice against this PO, you will not be able to amend this document. In this example, I have created just a purchase order. To amend this document, click on the document number. The document is now opened. Go to other actions. You get an option to amend. Click on amend. It asks you, are you sure you want to amend the document? Click on yes. Now, you can make the required changes here. You can change the place of supply. You can change the store. You can change the delivery date. You can also change the item description. For example, I have to change the quantity only. So I'll change the quantity. And you can add the extra charges. You can add the relevant details here and click on save and send. You also get an option to share the document on WhatsApp to your counterparty. Here, the purchase order has been amended. If you see, the PO amendment date is also updated. You also get the changes. As we had made the changes in quantity, you can view the same here. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.